Hey guys, it's me, Anna. We're walking around. It's an adventure walk. We're like looking for animal clues and all that stuff. Right now we already found a huge feather.
And I found it right now. And I found all this.
It looks like a baby deer leg. We're trying to find like turkey clues because they like to come up here. I wonder if they lay their eggs here. I don't know. If they lay their eggs there, I'm just going to pick one up and show you guys. I mean, I'm not going to take it because that's just mean.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, keep going. Right.
Okay, let's go back up.
I found this feather.
I know, I mean, I couldn't even see that. We got some deer tracks, but here, I'll show you a deer track. There's some baby ones. They're everywhere. You want to go up in the woods and show them the house?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, here's the blue bin. Oh my God. Holy crap, a cricket scared me. I mean, scared the poo out of me.
Show them the broken house. And this is where we lived for a couple of days till it got on fire, right?
Mm-hmm.
That was a good house. Well, we found a lot of stuff in it.
Mm-hmm.
And we pulled it out up there. Show them. On desktop in the kitchen. I showed them. Oh, there's our dust. Ow. Boom, boom.
What?
I stepped in the thorn bush. Wait. Back to far. Show them the stuff we found. Show them the stuff we found.
We found all of this stuff and it got... Hold on. I hear a doggy.
Oh, that's from over there.
Okay.
Oh, I hear from over there. That might... Don't go near the puppy. Okay? In a way.
Okay.
I don't want to. Wait.
It's okay, I'm just gonna stand right here, I promise.
Ow.
Okay, run. Do you think it's John's dog?
So, John doesn't have a dog.
He doesn't?
No, he doesn't. Look! Look what I found!
These are
I found it.
these are our other friends, and they're gonna help us find some like animal clues and stuff.
Who?
You too.
Look what we found.
This is on video. It's on video.
Is it recorded? Send on
Yeah.
YouTube. Hey guys.
Feather.
Man, come on, let's go back in. Let's go back into the
Let's-
house. You want to go back in? Is it facing your face?
Hmm?
Is it facing your face?
No, it's the other way. What was that barking?
Oh no, let's go. Wait. Where's the burnt house? They're showing the burnt house.
We already did.
That's what we found, Anthony. Yeah, feather.
Oh my gosh, another feather.
They're everywhere. Oh, it's the same exact size.
Here, turn it around.
Same one.
Okay,
It's the
collect.
same one. Baby feather.
Yeah, we found a baby feather too.
Huh.
Let me see it.
Michael,
Turn it over.
Jay,
I think that's a
we
baby.
found the two same ones.
I think that's a baby turkey.
Come on, let's go.
Guys, I would stay away from that. That's probably where they pee.
Okay, let's go back to the house.
I know it. They made a stream.
They've been trying to do it, but they can't find a way to it. We want to go back in the blonde house. These two fellows are the same.
Mhm. We're looking for animals and animal clues.
Animal hunt.
There's a bunch of feces.
Are you on YouTube already?
No,
Feather.
still video. Feces is poop. Oh, that's a pretty feather.
cool. What? I won't let this feather go. What? This is your first video? Remember the first video you did was like exercising? Remember exercising?
Oh yeah.
Is that on YouTube?
Yeah, I found a bone.
Give all the bones to Michael. There's a bone. Come on. They've been eating everything. Go up the hill. This one. They usually run downhill. So,
Yeah, that's what the deers and stuff do.
because they try to get them when they eat apples. And they show
Mhm. And we need to show you something creepy. Well, me and Michael do. We don't know where these holes are coming from.
Yeah.
All these holes.
Yeah.
Are probably pecking the wood. I said they're probably using their claws to grip onto there.
Yeah. I found a force. I could do anything. That is a clue. I could just slide and get up with that. Let me say hi to the camera. What's up?
Oh, guys, I think this is a turkey den.
Yeah. Let's see if they lay their eggs.
No, down here.
I hope I don't step on anything. I'll grab my phone.
Feather.
Feather? So this is where they...
Ah!
That's a
That was a bunny. It scared the poo out of me.
Can you guys go catch it? Where was it?
It ran into that little...
was
Guys,
a-
don't run.
It was ringtail.
I know. I screamed.
Like,
It was a bunny. Guys,
It was like...
it was a bunny that was running.
What the heck are you screaming?
Sorry for scaring you guys if I did. I mean, I screamed because a bunny was running.
Why are you yelling? I can see a hole.
I know.
That was a...
Hey, hey, don't.
What? Yes! Who is that?
Where'd the bunny run to?
I want to pick up the bunny.
Hold on, let's try to find it first.
What do
looking for the bunny real quick. This is a freaking thorn
Looks like
bush.
a sparrow.
I think it's a den. A bunny den.
This is where they're probably at.
I wonder where the bunny is.
What?
Wonder where the bunny is.
They're yelling for us. Let's go.
Okay. Tell them we're coming.
We're coming! Very slowly.
Okay, well, we're gonna walk around and we moved into our new house.
Let's go.
Hey, there's some tracks.
I'm coming!
There's some tracks.
Snakes usually live under hay. Oh, they're yelling for us.
I know.
If they tell us to carry one little box, I'm going to show them. Right?
I guess.
One little box. Let me walk. Oh, this one. We're coming very slowly. That better be not Richard. What? Oh my.
Okay, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.